It's so frustrating. Let's go. I have a list. They don't have any. They don't have it. I don't have it here. Out of stock. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to good old Wally World because my fiance gave me his card and he said I could have at it. Not really, but there are some new drugstore makeup things that I've been kind of wanting to try. So we're gonna go to Walmart and see what we can find and hopefully try it out. So let's go. We made it to Walmart. Before I go to the makeup, I want to check out the clothes because I've seen on TikTok that Walmart has some cute stuff, so I just want to see what they have. Nothing was speaking to me in the clothes, so let's go to the makeup aisle and see what we can find. That's what we're here for anyway. Literally everything is behind a glass box. I can't shop like this. It's so frustrating. I think we're gonna have to go to Target. It's across the street because I can't. Sometimes like I change my mind. Let's go. All right guys, take two. Okay, Target is busy, but I have a list, so let's see if we can find it. The first thing is a L'Oreal setting spray. This is my favorite powder, and I actually just ran out, so let me get a new one. I use 220 Sand. I heard that this powder is good, but they don't really have any in stock, so like I'd probably get this one. They don't have any. I wanted to try the brow lamination, but they don't have it here. Okay, that's unfortunate. I do really like this brow pencil though. It works really well. I've been wanting to try these lip glosses for so long and I just have never got one, so I think I'm gonna get one today. I think I'm gonna get the shade Silk. This one looks cute. Oh, I saw these are new too. Blurred matte color. It's like a tint. I saw that Maybelline had a new mascara, but they don't have it here. I don't see it at least. I do want to try this foundation though. I heard it was good. Probably get $2.50. I haven't tried Makeup Revolution in kind of a long time, so I might want to get some. They have really pretty eyeshadow palettes. I just don't need any of those. Okay, I'm done in the makeup aisle. The only other thing that I think I want to get is a milky toner. Where is it? Over here. Looks like the one from Bioma is out of stock. Okay, Thayer's out of stock. Okay, I think I got everything that I wanted to get for the most part. So I'm just walking around Target now. Guys, I just realized that this Target has an Ulta, so now we have a whole nother section to look at. I don't really see anything. So far, I just got this little Morphe duo of the loose powder. I don't think there's anything else that I want to grab. I think I'm good.
Remember to grab your receipt. Thanks.
Target was much more successful than Walmart, so that's great. I'm gonna go home and film a haul so that you guys can see everything that I got. I'm so excited. Okay, so it's the next day. I was gonna film this last night, but then it got too dark, it got too late, so here we are. So let's just get right into what I got. I did get a few packs of lashes. I feel like the lashes that I have right now are just old, really dramatic, and just not a style that I typically wear now. So I wanted to pick up more natural, subtle lashes, even though the ones I'm wearing are pretty unnatural. Anyway, so I got these because I heard that these look really nice with mascara. These are the Ardell Natural 110. And then I also got these. These I've kind of wanted for a while. So I finally just went ahead and got them. These are the Kiss, the new natural. They say effortless minimal look and they're in the style pearl earring. I just think these are really cute. They're kind of like an elevated wispy lash, so hopefully I like these, and I like that the band is super thin on these. I am allergic to lash glue, so I try to get bands that are thinner so I don't have to put on as much glue, because otherwise my eyes get really like puffy and itchy. So yeah. And then I got these were, I just randomly found these. They're about $1. These are from LA Colors. They're the Dramatilash, and I got what style is this? Wispy Sesh. And I mean, for $1.25 or something like that, they looked pretty good. They had two other styles, but I really like how small they are. small and dainty, so hopefully these work well because for $1, I might have to go back and get more. Okay, let's move on to makeup. So I've been wanting to try the Dibs contour sticks, and by the register I saw that they had mini versions of them, so I thought that was great because I don't always finish a makeup product, so I love that they had that. I got the shade 5.5, which is Hot Wine and Cocoa Kiss. So this is the bronzer shade, which I think is going to be perfect. And then this is the blush shade, which is more of a wine color, which is fine. I don't mind. So, and then I just picked up a restock of the KVD ink liner. Mine was drying out, so had to get a new one. This is my favorite liquid liner ever. I also got this from the Ulta section at Target. This is the Morphe Totally Set Mini Brighten and Set Powder Duo. So it's got the pink powder, which I'm excited to try, and then the regular setting powder. I don't think I've ever tried the Morphe setting powders. I'm pretty sure I haven't, so hopefully this is good. I'm excited that there's two, and this was only $14 for both, so I thought that was pretty good. Then I picked up this setting spray from L'Oreal. It's the Infallible 3-second setting mist. It's supposed to be a dupe to the One Size setting spray, which I love. I love that setting spray, so I hope that it is a dupe because this is significantly cheaper. Then I got an OG Classic Mascara, the L'Oreal Telescopic in Blackest Black. I haven't used this mascara in quite some time, so I'm excited to have it again. I got another restock. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation in a powder. Sometimes when I'm running late, I don't put on liquid foundation. I'll literally put this on and it's great. It saves me so much time in the morning. So maybe I'll do a tutorial on how I use it because I love this powder. It's so good. It's full coverage. It lasts all day. Yeah, love it. And I also got this foundation from Maybelline. It looks really dark, but hopefully it's fine. I got the shade 250. It's the Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation. I've heard such good things about this foundation, and I've wanted to try it for so long. So I'm glad that I was finally able to pick it up at Target. I also got a new concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I probably haven't used this in over like 7 years. I used to use this all the time way back in the day, and I remember really liking it, so I hope that I still like it now, so I'm excited to try that. I got this Milani Cheek Kiss, which is in the shade Dolce Pink. I wanted to get the baked blush version of it, but they were sold out of it. They just didn't have it, but that's okay. I'm sure I have other pink blushes that I can try. I love Milani, and I'm hoping that this is just as good as people say, because liquid blushes at the drugstore have been hit or miss. I tried one from Maybelline, wasn't really a fan. The ColourPop ones are okay, so I'm hoping that this is a winner because that would be great. I picked up some new lippies. So first I got the NYX Fat Lip Drip Oil. It's just a lip oil, and it's in this really cute like nude color. The shade is called Chillin' Like a Villain. And then I got a new lipstick. I got one from Revolution. I haven't bought anything from Revolution in so long. I don't even think I own anything Revolution anymore. But this lipstick, I love the packaging of it. It's so cute. It's in the shade Brunch Pink Nude. It's a really cute, really pretty, just light nude color. So I really hope that I like the formula of this because the color looks super good. And then I also got the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, which I've also been wanting to try for literally ever. I just like never bite the bullet with drugstore makeup anymore. I don't know why. I really should because it's so much cheaper than going to Sephora, but I don't know. I guess I just don't really buy it anymore. So this one is in the color Silk, and it's again a really cute kind of nude color, and it's got a little bit of shimmer, so I hope that it's a pretty color. And then the last thing I got was a milky toner. I really wanted the Bioma one or the one from Thayer's, but they didn't have either because obviously they're just so popular and they're really trending right now. It's got coconut water and bamboo extract, so I hope that it works well. I got a small one. I think this is the only size it comes in, honestly. But yeah, that is my entire drugstore haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this sort of shop with me and then haul at the end. Let me know if you want to see more of these because I will gladly do them. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on Instagram and on TikTok, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.